Hey, we're live. Hey, we're live. Music's probably too loud again, but hey. Wow. Good. Let me just swift over my my hair that's slowly running away from me. Right. Ba, 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 da, ba. What a tune, eh? Ba, ba, da, ba, ba. Two nights in a row. Oh yeah. So we're doing the IMDb game, right? Alright, let's see if anyone drops by. You never know if anyone's busy, or if everyone's busy, or if no one's busy. You never know what kind of evening you're going to get. What are we doing? Either from the IMDb API, or we're going to scrape the information. So let's have a look. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on right now. See all this crap? See all this? I don't know what's going on. It's doing my didn't know. So just don't do that, thank you. I don't know what you're doing. I swear, I've got a feeling it's Windows 11, right? See this? Like when you hover over this, and then it asks you how you want your screen. I don't remember that happening before. It's pretty annoying. Right, I'm pretty sure I bookmarked. Oh, something. Instructions to no. What position are they? Ah, okay, it's more. Got a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff. Data interface. Oh, you got that's it. That's it. That's it. Bring the music down a little bit. Right, so this is going to give us some information that we can use for our game, I believe. But I want to be able to scrape 1,000 movies. Is that possible? Let's have a look. Info sets. So this library can retrieve almost every piece of information of a movie or person. This can be a problem, because at least for the data access system, it means that a lot of web pages must be fetched and parsed. This can be both time and bandwidth consuming. Absolutely will be, especially if you're interested in only a small part of the information. We are interested in a bit of the information, yeah. So the get movie, get person, and get company methods take an optional info parameter, good, which can be used to specify the kinds of data to fetch. Each group of data that gets fetched together is called an information set. Different types of objects have their own available information sets. For example, the movie objects have a set called vote details, the number of votes and their demographic breakdowns, whereas person objects have a set called other works. From station of work for the person. Available information sets for each object type can be queried using the access object. We need to just basically trial and error this. So let's do line 1, 2, and 3. And then I have no idea what we're going to get back. So let's just turn that down a little bit more. For each object type, only the important information will be retrieved by default. Main plot, main filmography, biography, main alpha movie, main plot. Yeah, I want the ratings. These defaults can be retrieved from the default info attributes. Main biograph. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be a case of just going through the library docs and finding out what parameters we can use. Each instance also has a current info attribute for tracking the information sets that have already been retrieved. Movie.currentInfo. I need an ID number, right? Start retrieving information sets and key, and the keys they provide can be taken from the info set to keys attribute. Right. Such operations retrieve a fixed set of data and don't have a concept of information sets. Even less information than defaults, for example. Keys that will be available on movie get option. Title of the matrix, movie ID. Yeah. Movie.currentInfo, empty. Genres in movie false. Okay, once an object is retrieved through a get or a search. Yeah, movie.get, title get, yeah. Continuing from the example above. Vote details, info. Rather than having this example, I wish they would just give me the library, like the actual, you know, just tell me the methods and functions I can use and tell me the parameters I can call. That's all I want, which I'm sure is in there somewhere. .utils.mod HTML links. Cinema goer. Hey, Drunk Time Lord, he slept. That's the API reference. What's the API reference? So I've obviously scrolled on a little bit. So I'm looking for the I just want the docs library about all this. You know, obviously CinemaGo is a class, right? But what does that do? You know, and then I'll be able to find out what methods we've got, right? The part where you find methods and their signatures and stuff. Thank you. Oh, right. Where's that though? Is that in this library? Because this is a web scrape, I think. That's what the guys were saying. This is just going to scrape the data. Okay, using CinemaGoer. So roles, series, information localization, access, systems, S3 datasets. PostSQL, PostgreSQL, results. Yeah, ideally there should be a section of the docs called reference. Yeah, I know, right? That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, but I feel... What's next mean? It's going to take me onto old data files? Yeah. It's not ideal, man. That's a quick start, I get that. Oh, data interface. Information sets. Is that what I was on? Yeah, I was, wasn't I? Ah, that's crap, dude. Yeah, that's what I was on. Fetching data from the web. Only characters with an active page on the website will have their character ID. We don't have these information when accessing through SQL. So every character will have an associated character ID. This way, every character with the same name will share the same character ID. I kind of get what they're saying there, even if in fact they may not be portraying the same character. Yeah. First page of the docs said the docs are incomplete. Ah, brilliant. The first thing to do is import IMDb and call the IMDb.IMDb function to get an access object through which IMDb data can be retrieved. Okay, let's just let's do this. Let's have a little play at this. We'll just see what kind of investigations we can do on the functions and whatnot by doing, you know, in VS Code. If this is proving a bit of a pain in the ass, then I will go back to the IMDb API. But that was the one that I had to sign up to, so I might have to quickly just sign up to that on the other screen. Hopefully, it doesn't say to pip install anything, which is a bit strange. It just says import this, right? First thing to do is import IMDb. I mean, I'll try it. Am I in? Okay, so let's what's this gonna be called? IMDb, right? Data. .py, right. So I've set up a basic Django framework, which we will maybe come on to later. Import IMDb. Was that a big boy characters or low boy characters? Okay, so let's try this. See, I think we'll have to pip install something. Are we in the right file? So that movie game rating. The fuck? Oh, rating. Oh, my application, damn it. Right, okay, what have I done here then? Did I put this in the right place? Oh, no. Let's go in there. Right. I still don't think it's going to work. Let's CD into rating. So rating's the game, right? That's what I call it, rating. That's the application. So now we should have IMDb, so and this isn't going to work. No module named IMDb. There you go. See what I say? I think it's is that can't be all. This is doing these docs are kind of upset me a little bit already. I'm sure it said pip install something. Quick start. I'm sure we read somewhere. Searching. Okay. Now we've got this from IMDb. Import. Cinema Goer. This ain't gonna work. Let's just try and pip install Cinema Goer. Cinema Goer. See what we get, if anything. Ah, right. And then it's just, okay, Cinema Go, right. Import IMDb cannot be resolved. Do I need to what do you reckon? Pip install and then shut it down? This is becoming a bit annoying. Cinema Go, do you think? Yeah, if I do pip install IMDb, that might... We can give it a go. No, okay. Right. Nay bother, nay bother. No. Cannot import name. Yeah, I don't think I think this is a load of crap still made in already. Super annoying. I don't get out that. Sin. You found anything? Hey, Chili, hi mate. Yeah, it always says that though. It always tells me to update. It always tells me to update pip. It's for yeah. It's not too far off. It's fine. It's not that bad. I mean I can, but that's not normally the problem. I don't think. Oh, let me have a little look first, make sure that IMDb is even the right thing, and then if it is, then I will of course update that. So it just says pip install Cinema Go alert. So you need to install the Cinema Go Python library to access the IMDb database. Run the following command in the command prompt to install the library. Yeah, we've done that. Yeah, how to extract IMDb data with. Let's have a look at this. This is a web scrape library. Yeah. It's worth a little explore, I think. From IMDb import. Okay, capital C. Right, and then we got that. The above code imports the Cinema Go library and creates an instance of the Cinema Go class. Right, and then we should be able to access some methods. Let's have a look. Search movies. Oh, you can do themes, right? And then just want to get I want to get ratings, and I want the top 1,000 movies really. Okay. Let's see if we can just get it going first, shall we? I've probably spelled something wrong. Normally it's a spelling mistake. It doesn't like IMDb, dude. From IMDb import Cinema Go in it. It doesn't like IMDb. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. From IMDb. Unless this is really old. Yeah, I don't know. Let it run. Right. Okay. Okay. We got something. Search movie rock. And then maybe we'll just print the first 10 movies, right? Let's do that. Let's just steal it a minute. Bish bash bosh, but let's do what, start at 0, finish at 11, yeah? Oh my god, I've got to sort that out as well. You working for me, bud? You working for me? God damn you. What's going on here? Oh, crap. Hey. Come on. Where are you? The hell? Come on, terminal. Help me out, mate. help me out. Oh, right, okay, my bad. So, for movie in movies. Hi mate, you okay? Phil, you was a programmer before this Python stream, right? You're picking up concepts real fast. I was not a programmer before Python. No, I'm not technically a programmer now. We're getting there. I think my Python's certainly. I feel very comfortable writing Python scripts. Last night though, I was doing some try except statements, and I need to polish up on those skill sets. But I think my Python's pretty solid with the concepts and everything. So yeah, I love it. I love Python. I love programming. So if this should then just give us the first 10 movies, I believe. I don't know why my control return's not. There we go. Look, The Rock, the Rocky Horror Picture Show, Sister Act 2. Sister Act 2 is okay. Yeah, I suppose it is actually. So movies is empty list here, I think, at least for me. What do you mean by empty, mate? Do you mean sorry? Do you mean empty or sorry? Please explain. Please explain. Let me know. We've got it there, right? So we've got some movies here, right? Yeah, empty. Yeah. It's working, right? We're working. You can see this, right? Yeah. So we've got the movies out. I don't want. What I'm trying to do. So let me just explain what I'm trying to do. I want to create a game on a web page, right? So we're going to use a Django framework to create a game. And you'll press a button and it will give you a movie name, and then you will guess the rating that movie got. Okay, so in IMDb, movies are rated in 0.1, so between 0 and 10, and they go up in 0.1. And I'll come up with some kind of like cool scoring system where if you get it on the nose, you might get like 5 points, and then if you miss, you'll maybe get 1 point less until you've missed too far and you get 0. So, and then it'll be a little game, and we'll start off front a little bit with some CSS and all that. It'll be tickety-boo, right? So the way to get the information in the first place is we either go to the IMDb API and we grab the information as we need it through an API call, or we can do it this way and we can use the CinemaGoer library and we can scrape the information. And I'm just looking at what CinemaGoer as a library is going to do for me, and will it achieve what I want to achieve. And I want to be able to grab 1,000 movies, probably the top 1,000 movies, yeah, because if I grab the top 1,000 movies, then there's more likelihood that the person playing the game would have heard of the movie. If I grab 1,000 random movies, then we're going to get all kinds of crap come through. Okay, it's not going to be won't be as playable. Okay, so I'd like to get the top 1,000 movies. So right now, concept checking. Yes, the library's working. Yes, I can access some information. Now, can I access the rating in the movie, and then can I access the top 1,000 movies based on the highest ratings? They're the questions I'm just trying to delve a little bit deeper into. And then if I cannot do that with this library, then we'll go and look at the IMDb API, and then we'll look at achieving the same processes with the IMDb API. Once we get this data, we need to store it somewhere. So we either put it into a file, and we, just stick it into some kind of file system, or we create a database. And we've got a database. We have a database, don't we? Because we're using Django as our web framework. So I can either just throw it into the Django database, or I can just stick it into a file. Probably going to throw it into the database. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So it should be good fun, especially once we actually you know it's like with a project. You got to get the, it's like a big old tugboat. We need to just get the turbines moving a little bit. So at the moment, we're just kind of building up some momentum. So now from here, it did say you can access different information. What I was hoping for is an autocomplete on the decimal place. So you can get the movie this way. It did say over here under information sets, get movie information set. I don't know what this will give us though. If I try and print this could be an absolute beast. Oh, I mean, we could print the length of it maybe. Maybe let me just print the length of this. Right. I need to sort out my auto run as well. Control return. 37. Well, that's not too bad. Okay, that's good. Let's just have a look. Let's look at that then. 30. Wait a minute. 37. But what's inside of it, right? Oh, 37. What are we thinking? What are we thinking this is? If I hover over unknown. All right. So again, the library is. I'm not going to slag it off because it's not my library, but it's not type checked very well. We've got nothing going on here, so yeah, it's not great. Oh shit. Okay, how do we Alright, well at least that's working now. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay. This is just the info sets. Oh, okay, brilliant. Perfect. This is good. This is the info sets we can grab. So we're looking for ratings, stars or something. Alternative versions, awards, connections, crazy credits, critical reviews, episodes. I think. Is this not keywords list? Maybe it's not main news, reviews. Vote details, no video clips, TV schedule. No, this ain't gonna help us. Okay, that's a shame. Damn it. Let's keep looking a minute. So info sets are not going to help us. Where's the damn library to this thing? Default mod function IMDb utils. When was this even written? Just as latest. You can retrieve ratings information about every episode in a TV series or miniseries. No. Get person. Is the library? Sorry, is the lib is passing a JSON somewhere? It's scraping. I think it might be. It's probably using IMDb, right? I think we should just go to the source. We should just go and look at the IMDb API. What do you think? I'm just going to lose. I'm going to lose time here, aren't I? It's just going to be a bit of a waste of time because this is like secondary information, right? Yeah. Scraping it is. It's scraping data. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yes. That's episodes, but we want movies. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to look at. I don't want to look at TV series. I know it says that. I thought I was going to see something else relative. I don't think this is going to do what we want, I'm afraid. Series. Where'd that come from? Adult movies. That's not like porn, is it? Yeah, I think that's porn. Who the hell? Done in 2018. So look. Hey, hi, never talk to mate. You alright? Yeah. I'm looking for the movie. Right. I've got a feeling this is not our answer to our problem. Right, let's press a million buttons. Let's go down this route. Let's I'll keep this up, but I've got a feeling we're not gonna. I don't think this is what we want. It's not series, yeah, it's not working for us. I think we need this. So introducing the IMDb API. So the IMDb API is powered by AWS Data Exchange, okay? Bringing in entertainment information you need in a convenient GraphQL based API. To help you utilize the worlds. Okay. Developer IMDb. Okay, it's the same thing, right? Maybe not. It's normally developer stuff, isn't it? Introducing the new IMDb API. Yes. Well, let's get started. I'm pretty sure I've done this before. You go to get started, and it's going to make me fill in some details. So let me just do this over here. We'll see if this works, guys. I'm hoping it does because I really want to do this now. Tell us about your business. Industry, whatever. I may regret doing this big time, you know. It's could all end in tears. What? Okay. God knows what I've just done there. Okay, that. You got to subscribe. Okay. I think. AWS account to access GraphQL back. What? Oh my god. Why?